Hello and welcome. I'm here to tell you about a composition of mine called Easy Duets and Trios in Unfriendly Keys. The music is a collection of 5 brief pieces that can be performed as duets or trios. They function perfectly well either with or without the piano accompaniment. The top 2 parts are for beginners, and then the third part is for a teacher or more advanced student. The music was originally written for flute, but also suits violin. Additionally, I've also done arrangements for alto and tenor saxophone. Notice how the piano part has been kept nice and simple. The accompaniment is of course also available as MP3 files. The keys are not that nasty, but there are lots of accidentals to keep the beginner musician on their toes. The total duration of all 5 duets trios is about 10 minutes. Make sure you also watch the video about the sister piece to this composition, which is unsurprisingly called Duets Trios in Friendly Keys. All my compositions have been regularly performed and are available for purchase. Visit lexana.uk. For the rest of this video, you can enjoy a brief medley using excerpts from each of the pieces.